Ready, on your marks. Start your engines. Ready, set, go! I've lost them. Let's go take a shortcut. I think we've lost him. Now. Let's get out. Hey dude, are you in there? Hello? Hello? Oh yeah, yeah. No, I don't feel like getting out. Let's just stay in our car if he comes back. Let's go hide somewhere. So, when are we're gonna spend the night here? Yeah, until tomorrow. Hey, dude, wake up. We've got company. You're under arrest. Come out with your hands up. Dude, look out! Under arrest. Come out with your hands up. Hands behind your back. Get in my car. Now we have to catch the other guy. I think I've lost him. Let me go hide somewhere. He'll never find me here. Let me stay here until the next day. Oh, let's see if he's here yet. Still not here yet. So, I will leave. No, he's coming right at me. You're under arrest. Come out with your hands up. Never. Get into the police car. Hey dude, can I borrow your car? I need to go chase that guy. Sure. Wait here and take another way that will go right in front of him. I think I've lost him. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna go hide. I'm gonna stay here for tomorrow. Looks like I found him. Get out. Open the door. Put on. With your hands behind your back. Never. Boom, boom, boom.